Coach Aleem. Today's activity is going to be called Aerobic Bowling. I want to do this one outside, but it's raining today, so I'm going to show you how it's done inside. So this is the equipment you're going to need for this activity. You will need 6 cups, and you want to stack them in a 3-2-1 format. 3 on the bottom, 2 in the middle, 1 on top. You will need a rolled up sock or a ball. And then you will need a starting point. I just have a book right here that's going to be my starting point. So in this activity, what you're going to do is you're going to roll the sock or the ball, and you're going to roll it towards the cups. And you want to see how many cups you can knock down for each roll. After you knock down the cups, you're going to run down, you're going to stack the cups back up in the 3-2-1 format. You're going to pick up your ball or sock, and you're going to start back over again. Okay, so in this activity, you can time it, or you can just do it for a certain amount of times, like 5 times, and see how many cups you can knock down. All right, so let's see this in action. All right, I'm going to use a timer for this activity. Also, I'm going to set it at 33 seconds, and we're about to get this started. Here we go. Underhand roll. Knock the cups. She's got to go put the cup, stack them back up. 3, 2, 1, as fast as she can. Okay, once she gets that stacked up, oh, she's got 1 more cup. She's gonna go get the sock, run back to the starting point, underhand roll. Okay, she missed. She goes and gets the sock, comes back. She's got 7 seconds left on the clock. She's gonna roll 1 more time and missed. And there the timer goes. All right, so you're going to see how many you can also knock down in a certain amount of time. You don't have to use a timer if you don't want to. You can just do it 3 times or 5 times and see how many cups you knock down. If you want to count the cups, you can. If not, the point is to get moving, run down, stack those cups back up, and then run back to your starting point and roll that soccer ball. Hopefully you guys use this activity. Can't wait to see some videos or pictures of you all participating. Have a great day.